This single mistake is why most professionals never break through, and I don't want you to repeat it. You might be working hard, putting in long hours, even chasing promotions, but if you're guilty of this one habit, you'll stay stuck no matter how much effort you put in. The mistake is simple: waiting for opportunities instead of creating them. Most people sit back, hoping their boss notices their effort or waiting for the right job to fall into their lap. But the truth is, opportunities don't just come to those who wait. They come to those who position themselves, who ask, and who take action. As the saying goes, luck is when opportunity meets readiness. The question is, are you ready? Think about it. The average professional stays in the same role for years because they're waiting to be promoted. Meanwhile, the people who move ahead are networking, learning new skills, building side projects, and asking for more responsibility. So here's how you break the cycle. Step 1. Start treating your career like a business. That means developing skills that make you valuable, not just to your current employer, but in the entire market. And it's never been easier. Platforms like Coursera, edX, and Udemy give you access to world-class courses, not just technical skills, but also soft skills like leadership, communication, and problem-solving. You can move from being good to being the expert in your field, the person others look to for answers. Step 2. Speak up. Ask for projects, negotiate for raises, apply for roles that feel just beyond your comfort zone. Step 3. Stop waiting for headhunters. Design your own opportunities by sharing your expertise through networking or freelancing. If you've been waiting for years, feeling stuck, this is your wake-up call. Stop waiting. Start creating. That's how you get to the next level while others stay in the same place. And if you're ready for more hidden secrets to accelerate your career, income, and personal growth, hit subscribe because your breakthrough starts here.